this is me Suchi Bhatt. Welcome back to our channel Be Stylish. Today I have decided to mix and match two palettes together. I'm going to use You Can Be and the Beauty Glaze palette. Today I have decided to create something little bit on heavier side, and the product I'm going to use for this tutorial, I'll mention them in the description box below, so do check that out. So without wasting any time, let's start this tutorial. So I have already set and primed my eyes with my eyeshadow primer, and today I thought I'll be using this because the colors we are going to use for today's tutorial are going to be little darker side, so I think it's better to go with this. So the colors I'm going to use for today's video, I'll mention this on the screen, so you can check these colors with your eyeshadow palette. Now first I'm taking my flat angular brush, and with this brush what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place my color first into my crease. आप देख सकते हो कि I haven't taken the shade all the way to the inner corners. Somewhere I have stopped here. आधा क्रीज पे जाकर आपको रुक जाना है. तो सबसे पहले we are going to take the first color. Just place this color into your crease. And now start blending it out. अब हम अपना सेकेंड शेड लेंगे और उसको इस शेड के साथ ब्लेंड करेंगे. Now both the colors are pretty much blended into each other. No harsh lines, nothing. Now we are going to use our third shade, which is little bit of olive green color. Now we are going to use our last shade, finally the last shade, just to blend these two colors together. ये जो बीच में एक लाइन है उसको blend करने के लिए I'm going to use the last shade. So now the last thing you need to do is to buff out the edges. You have to diffuse the edges of all the eyeshadows. For that I'm taking my pencil brush, and the shade I have taken this purple one. I'm going to take this little bit on the pencil brush and buff this out on the outer crease. Now for the lower lash line, what I'm going to use is मैं पर्पल और जो ब्लू पहला और जो दूसरा शेड जो मैंने यूज़ किया था अपने क्रीज के लिए, उन दोनों को मिक्स कर ही मैं अपनी लोअर लैश लाइन के लिए यूज़ करूँगी. So here you can see first I have used this purple shade. Now I'm going to use the dark blue to smudge this purple out. So now for the inner corner side, I'm going to use another shade which is light blue color. For that again I have taken my smudger brush and I'm going to use this color towards the inner corner of my eyes. Now we have to clean the lower lash line with the clean brush. So this is how it looks after removing the edges. Now we quickly do the eyeliner. So I'm going to create a thick winged eyeliner for this eye look. every step is pretty much done. The only thing is left is the false eyelashes. So quickly I'm gonna do that off camera and I'll see you guys after that. So finally, this is the final result, guys. You can see, I'll take you guys a little up closer. So before the starting of the tutorial only, I told you guys I'm gonna use a lot of colors. I have mixed matched 2 palettes together to get this look. So ideally, if I'll say this look is very good to go only for your special days. I don't know whether you guys find it difficult. I try to explain this eye look to you guys like in the very simplest way. I don't know कि कितना successful रहा है वो, but this is like really easy to create. Just blending of the colors is the technique. So finally, it's time to say goodbye, guys. So before leaving, I would love to say that if you guys really liked and enjoyed doing me this makeup tutorial for you guys, then please like the video and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. So I'll see you guys very soon with another tutorial with another interesting eye makeup look. So till then, take a very good care of yourself and your family. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.